Alright guys, today I want to come on here and do a quick unboxing review on my new trailer hitch cover. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for use. Let's go take a look at it. So this one's got the USA flag on it. Check it out. I'll take off this film. That's what it'll look like. This one. As well as the locking key. And then before we actually go hook it up, I just wanted to say how heavy duty this actually is. It's not like plastic, it's like an actual metal on there. And like I said, this will fit all 2-inch hitches right here. And then I do want to put on this one, it does have these bands that you are able to adjust. And then as well as this will help with the shaking of it. All we gotta do is peel out the sticker, put it on here, and then hook it up. So let's go and actually install it onto the truck. All right, as I'm sliding in the 2-inch receiver, you can see the build quality. It's solid metal with the raised flag design, not just a printed sticker on it. The texture gives it a clean, rugged finish that actually looks premium once it's mounted. It comes with the locking hinge pin, which I'll be tightening here soon. You get 2 keys included, and honestly, that's a huge plus because without the lock, this thing would be easy to swipe. Once it's locked in, it's not going anywhere. They also include 6 rubber washers, which you'll see here in a second. These are for spacing and to eliminate any rattling. You can stack them how you need depending on how your hitch is sized. After everything's tightened up, it's snug and completely silent. No metal on metal clanking when you drive. Now that it's installed, it blends in nice. The black on black flag design gives it that subtle look, but still adds personality to the back of your truck or SUV. From a practical standpoint, it keeps dirt and moisture out of your receiver, and it's rated for extreme temperatures from -4 degrees all the way to 158 degrees. It can handle both intense heat and cold without cracking or fading. If you're looking for something that's functional, secure, and actually looks good, this checks all the boxes. And the fact that it includes a locking pin and anti-rattle washers out of the box, this one's a no-brainer. Alright, so if you guys are looking for a new trailer hitch cover, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link down below so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.